Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I am so excited because today we are making healthy nachos and I'm going to show you two different ways you can make them. Not only is this good coming into summertime when you're having guests over, but honestly, who can turn down delicious nachos? So we're going to get started with our first version, which is going to be a cauliflower nacho recipe. So we're going to be using cauliflower instead of chips to have more of a veggie-friendly version. So you're going to take your cauliflower florets and we're going to slice them into more like chips so that they're like flat pieces and look like this. And then you're gonna need some salt, some chili powder, cumin, and smoked paprika for our spices. So next we're gonna get the rest of our ingredients ready to go on top. And we're gonna be using the same things for the cauliflower version as we are for the regular chip version. And what I love is that you can totally change it up depending on what you like on your nachos. We're gonna be doing a little bit of ground meat, some red onion, tomato, cilantro. I'm also gonna make a little bit of a lime crema. We're gonna do avocado, it's going to be delicious. So we're gonna add some avocado oil to a pan on medium heat. And then I'm just taking some of our ground beef and adding that to the pan so we can brown it. And then I'm just using the same spice blend as we did for our cauliflower for our ground meat. And if you are vegan, you could use tofu here or jackfruit. So our meat is sizzling away and we're gonna get started on our toppings. So I've got tomato, some red onion, avocado, as well as some lime and vegan yogurt so we can make a little lime crema. So then once your cauliflower is done, we're just gonna push it together a bit so that when we put all our toppings on, they stay together. And now we're gonna add all of our toppings. And then we pop it back in the oven for 8 minutes. So then we can go ahead and add on the rest of our toppings after the cheese is nice and melted. All right, it's time to make our second type, and I have some gluten-free corn chips. We're gonna lay that down on our baking sheet, add our meat and cheese, pop that back into the oven, and then add our toppings as normal.